Surprising as it may sound, a whopping 80% of homeowners admit the living room is the most important space in their homes. That's right. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to decorate your living room like an interior design pro. Imagine walking into a living room that screams your personality, a space so impeccably designed that it feels like a warm hug. To achieve this results in your own space, follow this next steps. 1. Define on the style you want for your living room. Whether it's modern, traditional, minimalist, eclectic, or something else, having a clear style in your mind will guide your decisions. Gather inspiration from magazines, Pinterest, or interior design websites to create a mood board that reflects the look and feel you want to achieve. This will help to visualize your ideas and ensure cohesiveness in your design. Select a color palette that sets the tone for your living room. Consider factors like the size of the room, natural light, and existing furniture. Aim for a balanced combination of main colors, accent colors, and neutrals. Invest in high-quality, comfortable furniture that fits your style and the scale of your living room. Choose a focal point, such as a sofa, accent chair, or a fireplace, and arrange the rest of the furniture around it to create a conversation areas. Arrange the furniture strategically, in a way that promotes traffic flow and encourages conversations. Avoid blocking pathways and ensure there's enough space between furniture pieces for easy movement. Choose curtains or drapes that complement your living room's color scheme and style. Opt for high-quality fabrics like linen and silk for a luxurious look and feel. Consider the length and width of the curtains, ensuring they reach the floor and extend beyond the width of the window to create a sense of height and width. Additionally, installing curtains rods closer to the ceiling rather directly above the window will give the illusion of higher ceilings and make the room feel larger. Don't forget to consider functionality as well, with options for blackout curtains or sheer panels to control light and privacy. Elevate your living room decor with carefully chosen wall art that reflects your taste and personality. Consider pieces like paintings, prints, photographs, or sculptures that resonate with your chosen style and color palette. Pay attention to scale and proportion when hanging wall art, ensuring it's appropriately sized for the wall space and doesn't overwhelm other elements in the room. Experiment with gallery walls by mixing and making different pieces for added visual interest, or opt for a single large statement piece as a focal point. Remember to hang artwork at eye level for optimal viewing enjoyment. Select an area rug that anchors the seating area and adds warmth and texture to your living room. Consider the size of the room and furniture arrangement when choosing the right rug size. A general rule of thumb is to ensure the rug is large enough to fit all the front legs of the furniture on it, or ideally all the furniture in the seating area. When it comes to style, opt for that complements your overall decor scheme while adding visual interest. Don't be afraid to play with patterns, colors, and textures to enhance the design. Just as a painting needs the right lighting to be fully appreciated, so does your living room. Lighting is the secret ingredient that makes a house feel like a home. It plays a crucial role in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. There are 3 types of lighting to consider in a living room: ambient, task, and accent. Ambient lighting provides the overall illumination of the room. This can be achieved through ceiling lights, chandeliers, or recessed lighting. Task lighting focuses light on specific areas where activities like reading or working on a laptop are performed. This can be achieved with table lamps or floor lamps. Accent lighting highlights specific areas or objects, like artworks or architectural details, adding depth and dimension to the room. It's important to use a combination of these 3 types of lighting for visual interest. Play with different sources and levels of light to see what works best for your space. Remember, the right lighting can dramatically enhance the colors, textures, and overall vibe of your living room. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to create the living room of your dreams. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating plants and flowers into your living room decor. Not only do they add a pop of color and freshness, but they also improve air quality and contribute to a sense of well-being. Display meaningful items like family photos, travel souvenirs, or heirlooms to infuse your living room with personality and warmth. Just be mindful not to overcrowd the space with clutter. An easy way to just refresh your existing living room is to change the accessories like vases, pillow covers, table lamps. By following these steps, you can transform your living room into a well-designed space that reflects your personality and style. Thanks for watching. Please consider to follow and subscribe.